Good day, everyone. My name is Zhumanov Yernur, and today I am honored to present to you the experience and results of my professional internship at Clarity Astana. This internship was a vital part of my big data analysis educational program at Astana IT University. Over the next few minutes, I will walk you through the company I work for, the tasks I completed, the challenges I encountered, and the skills I developed during the journey. About company, Clarity Astana is a company that focus on providing digital business solutions. And their specialization lies in corporate database uh, management systems that support strategic decision making and operational effectiveness. My role was primarily concentrated on working with their internal data storage systems, which were built on PostgreSQL, one of the most robust open source relational database platforms. The work environment was dynamic, collaborative, highly technical, providing an excellent opportunity for real world learning. Internship goals. The main objectives of my internship were clearly defined from the beginning. First, I aim to apply my theoretical knowledge of relational databases in a real-world setting. Secondly, I sought to develop strong practical skills in SQL programming, not just basic querying, but advanced operations like performance optimization and automation of data extraction. Finally, I wanted to understand how large organizations handle data complexity, integrity, and performance at scale, which is crucial for big data environments. Technologies used during my time at Clarity Astana, I primarily work with PostgreSQL version 14, using it as the main database management system for interacting with the database. I used pgadmin 6, a powerful and user-friendly graphical interface that greatly simplifies database navigation, management, and optimization tasks. Apart from writing queries, I often had to visualize database structures using entity relationship diagrams, analyze query performance, and create SQL scripts for automation. These tools became an essential part of my daily workflow. Here, key tasks. My day-to-day responsibilities included a wide range of tasks. In the initial weeks, I analyzed the corporate database schema, studied the relationships between tables, and reviewed existing queries. I wrote optimized select queries, performed join operation across multiple tables, and implemented aggregation functions like count, sum, and average to generate meaningful reports. I also work on creating database views, virtual tables that simplify complex queries and make analysis faster and safer. Additionally, I used explain analysis extensively to provide queries and identify slow performing operations, which I then optimized by creating indexes or rewriting query logic. Mm, Sample work. On the sample work slide, you can see a simplified version of database I work with. On the left side is a entity relationship diagram showing the structure. Customer place multiple orders. Orders contain multiple items. Each item corresponds to a product. This clear structure helps to maintain data integrity and simplify reporting. On the right side, I showcased two example SQL queries. The first one selects customer names and emails, sorting them by the creation data, a typical reporting task. The second query creates an index on the customer ID field in the orders table to accelerate search operations, and joins using indexing improved query response time significantly. Essentially, as that database grew larger. In addition to these examples, I regularly run explain analysis on critical queries. This tool allowed me to deeply understand how PostgreSQL execute each operation, what indexes it used, and where bottlenecks occurred. Such profiling is essential for handling real-world big data applications. Here, challenges faced. Despite the overall success, the internship had its challenges. Firstly, some parts of the database lacked up-to-date documentation. Understanding complex table relationships without clear description was time consuming and error prone. Secondly, inconsistent naming conventions across tables and fields sometimes caused function, especially when writing multi-join queries. Lastly, uh, although data validation processes were semi-automated, they often requires additional manual verification, which slow down reporting. Proposed solutions and improvements. I did not just identify these challenges, I also proposed actionable solutions for documentation issues. I suggested a systematic process to keep database schemas and ER diagrams updated alongside any structural changes. For naming inconsistencies, I proposed a standard naming convention guideline for all new tables, fields, and indexes. And for manual validations, I recommended automating more of the processes using stored procedures and data validation scripts, which could have which could save significant man hours in the long term. Personal reflection. This internship was not just about gaining technical skills, it was about growing as a professional. I significantly improved my ability to think critically when approaching database design and optimization challenges. I also developed better teamwork and communication skills through constant interaction with developers, analysts, and project managers. Most important, I learned how to adapt theoretical knowledge to practical scenarios, a skill that is essential for any aspiring data specialist. career impact. Uh, this experience reaffirmed my passion for working with databases and data engineering. I now have a much clearer vision for my career path. I plan to deepen my specialization in big data processing, optimization techniques, and distributed database systems like Hadoop or Spark based architectures. Additionally, I intend to pursue certifications in PostgreSQL administration and advanced skill development to further enhance my skill sets. In conclusion, my internship at Clarity Astana was an invaluable experience. It not only strengthened my technical abilities but also provided insights into the real light of working in the IT industry. I successfully achieved the goals set at the beginning of the internship and even exceeded my own expectations in terms of personal and professional development. Um, I am grateful for the opportunity and excited to apply this experience in my future career. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.